Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to our channel, Natural Sciences, grade 8 and 9, with me, Richard, here. Yes, today we are looking at this case. It says that sedimentary rocks are formed when layers of sediment solidify over time. Okay, sediments are layers of particle from pre-existing rocks and once living organisms. Yeah, that's what sediments are. Then we come here. Rocks on Earth's surface are weathered by several agents, which break down rocks into smaller particles. Okay, and then the question says, name any 4 agents of weathering. Okay, yeah, what are those agents which cause breakdown of rocks into smaller particles? Okay, the first one is temperature changes. Yes. Okay, we need to know that when temperature increase, the rock expand, and when temperature decrease, the rock contract. So those expansion and contraction tends to break the rock, and that breaking is what we call weathering. Okay, another agent is water. Yes, when water is flowing over the surface, it tends to break down rocks into smaller particles. Another one is wind. Wind has the same effect as water. It can also break down rocks into smaller particles. Okay, another agent is animals. Yes, when the movement of animals, especially the herds of animals, have the capacity to break down rocks and cause weathering. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that the weathered rock particles and other debris are eroded and become deposited on floodplains and in the sea. Okay, then the question says, name any 2 agents responsible for erosion of rock particles. Yes, yeah, we know erosion, the breakdown and the transportation of the rock particles to deposition point. So what factors do that, or what agents do that? The agents are wind and water. Yes, these are the carriers of the particles to be deposited in the sea and in the floodplains. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that sediments settle at the bottom of the seabed and form layers, each building on the top of each other. And the question comes, name the process where particles are compressed together to form sedimentary rock. Yes. What do you call that process? The process is called compaction. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that dolomite, limestone, sandstone, coal, shale, and conglomerate are examples of sedimentary rocks. And then the question says that identify the mineral compound in dolomite and limestone. Okay, yes. What is the mineral content of dolomite? Dolomite consists of calcium, magnesium, carbonate. Okay, and the formula is calcium, magnesium, carbonate. Yeah, then limestone, its mineral content is calcium carbonate. Yeah, with the formula, this calcium carbonate. Yeah, then comes this question. It says that during the formation of sedimentary rocks, sand, shells, pebbles, and other sediments become bound together. And then the question says that what term is used to refer to the process of binding of these particles together? Yes, what term is that which refers to the process of binding of these particles to form sedimentary rock? The term is cementation. Yeah, then this case comes. It says that sedimentary rock is the softest of all types of rocks, and it's where most fossils are found. Sedimentary rock are usually observed in places where erosion takes place. And then the question comes, it says that name any 3 factors which cause erosion of rocks. Yes, what are these factors? The first one is wind. Yes, wind breaks and erode and carry particles of rocks to their deposition point. Another factor is water. Yeah, running water also causes erosion. Then another factor is ice or glaciers. Yeah, these are the agents of erosion. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9. That's the name of the channel. With me, Richard here. We urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. Yes, we believe we are simply the best. See you next time. Bye bye.